Okay, this is a short example of what's needed to replace a failed Ioniq EPCU unit. In this case, it was a 2019 Ioniq with this part number. This one didn't have the coolant leak. This had a failed inverter. The inverter had shorted out, overheated, melted this inverter control unit, and basically the whole EPCU unit is dead. To replace it with a used part, you'll need the whole EPCU unit. This is bolted as the first component inside the EPCU. This is the EPCU controller. This contains the original VIN number of the vehicle. So to replace the original EPCU with the used one, this controller unit has to be intact in the old part or the failed part. This has to be removed and switched into the replacement unit. Otherwise, the car has a permanent immobilizer issue because of the mismatched VIN number. But this is easy to replace. Just plug it in, bolt it on, reseal the main plug, reseal the cover, get it installed in the car. In this case, the failed inverter had blown the main battery main fuse, which is located in the service plug of the battery. Those are impossible to find used. Just get a new one from the dealer. Not that expensive, couple of hundreds for the service plug. And finally, because the inverter had shorted, we have one main battery relay, main relay, that had fuse welded itself permanently on. The car worked fine, charged fine, but this is one of the two main relays for the power system. And because it was permanently on, it gave an EV fault. These cannot be bought separately. You'll need to get the whole main relay assembly. On this case, we used the same exact main relay assembly from a Kia Niro and just replace the whole relay assembly. It contains all of the four main relays, 2 for the power system, 2 for the charging system. After that, no faults, car works as it should.